Okay, further ray diagrams. Today we are going to do images formed by concave mirrors. So we will be drawing ray diagrams and we will see different conditions of the placement of the object. क्या object છે? According to that, the images will be formed. Where the object is in front of the concave mirror, according to that, the images will be formed. One by one, we will be seeing the diagrams. For all the diagrams, the basic structure that you need to draw is for concave mirrors. We are going to do for concave mirrors. Okay. Basic what you are going to draw is, you will draw a concave mirror for all the conditions, okay, of the placement of the object. This much you have to draw. You will draw the pole, you will draw the principal axis, you draw the focus and the center of curvature. You can take a distance of 2 centimeters and draw it properly. I am doing it without the scale. So first, this much should be ready for all the diagrams. આટલું તો તમારે કરવાનું જ છે. Pole, focus and the center of curvature. બને તો same distance you have to keep between all. Okay. Now let us see the first diagram. If an object is at infinity, infinity એટલે બહુ આગે, કોઈ પણ object બહુ આગે હોય, so the ray which is coming from that object will run parallel. Okay, so suppose this is the ray which is coming from infinity, so it will fall on the mirror. So this is the incident ray. After falling on the mirror, it will pass through the focus. Okay, right? So suppose the object is at infinity, that we cannot show it here because it is somewhere very far. Let us take one more ray and explain that. Another ray is coming from here. Okay, it will strike on the mirror. After striking on the mirror, it will reflect back and pass through the focus. So where the object will, where the image will be formed? At the focus. Okay. So when the object is at infinity, the image will be formed at the focus. And for a concave mirror, the type of image when the object is at infinity that will be formed will be real and inverted. That is the type of image. Second is the size of the image. The size of the image will be very, very small. Diminished word you can use. Diminished. You get a very diminished image. Small image. Another word for it is small. But generally you will use the word diminished. Diminished એટલે એકદમ નાનો image તમને મળે છે. એટલે type of the image is real and inverted. Size છે એકદમ small, diminished. And the third thing, क्या बने छे image? Where the image is formed? Image is formed at the focus. Where was the object? Object was at infinity. એટલે જ્યારે object infinity ઉપર હોય તો image क्या बने? Focus ઉપર. Now next condition we will see where the object is placed. I told you this much should be always ready for the diagram. Now let us consider object beyond C. Beyond C એટલે center of curve. C એટલે center of curvature. Center of curvature ની પાછળ, beyond center of curvature. So suppose we represent object as AB. Suppose AB is the object and it is placed beyond the center of curvature. So one ray let us consider running parallel to the principal axis and incident on the mirror. It is incident on the mirror. This is a concave mirror. And we know that any ray running parallel to the principal axis, after reflecting, it will pass through the focus. So this is the reflected ray. arrows I told you are important. Okay, and the second ray which is there will pass through the center of curvature. Okay, and where these two rays meet, okay, there the image will be formed. So the image which will be formed is formed here between C and F. So let us represent image as A dash B dash. The image is formed between C and F. So if the object is placed beyond C, the type of image will be what? Barabar? Same side છે mirror ની. If the image is on the same side of the mirror, જે બાજુ object હોય ઈ જ બાજુ image આપણને મળે છે, પણ below the principal axis, નીચે. So this will be real image and it will be inverted. જો object is straight and image is inverted. Okay, the size of the image, હંમેશા object અને image નું comparison થાય. You have to compare both object and image. So object size and image size differs. So size of the image is diminished. અને ક્યાં obtain થાય છે image? Between C and F. Okay. This, sorry children, here this will be like this. This will be A dash, B dash, okay? I was wrong there. It is A dash, B dash. So this is ulta, એટલે A નીચે આવે, A dash નીચે આવે ને B dash ઉપર. Let us see the next criteria. When the object is placed between C and F. So let us place the object between C and F. We represent this as A, B. Okay. Now we know that the ray which is running parallel to the principal axis, after falling on the mirror, will reflect back and pass through the focus. So this is the one ray that is passing through the focus. Another ray will pass through the center of curvature. It is passing through the center of curvature, and we know that the ray which passes through the center of curvature, 1 minute children. Okay, the other ray which is passing through the center of curvature, okay, from here, okay, meets somewhere here. So where the two rays are meeting, there the image will be formed. And we know that the ray which is passing through the center of curvature returns back on the same path in the opposite direction. And the image which is formed here, A dash, B dash, okay, where the two rays are meeting. So the type of the image will be real and inverted. You can see this object is straight, okay, this is the object AB, A dash, B dash is the image, okay, inverted and real. And you should know that if the image is real, it has to be inverted by law. Okay, so you have to know real image hoy એટલે inverted જ હોય. Inverted એટલે ઊંધું. It is magnified. Object કરતા image ની size મોટી છે and the image is formed beyond C. C છે એની પાછળ image form થાય છે. If the object is kept at C, that is at center of curvature, let us place the object at center of curvature. One ray will run parallel to the principal axis. The ray which runs parallel to the principal axis after reflecting will pass through the focus. Okay, and the second ray will pass through the focus, and the ray which is passing through the focus after reflecting will run parallel to the principal axis, and where both the rays meet, there the image will be formed. Okay, so this is the image that is formed when the object is at center of curvature. So image will be again real and inverted. The size of the object and the image will be the same, and the image will be formed at the center of curvature. જ્યાં object છે ત્યાં જ image બનશે. ચલો હવે નેક્સ્ટ ક્રાઇટેરિયા, ડોન્ટ વરી, હવે બે છે આ ને પછી છેલ્લો એક. ઓકે ફાઇન. ચલો નાઉ ઇફ ધ ઓબ્જેક્ટ ઇઝ પ્લેસ્ડ એટ F, આપણે બધા ક્રાઇટેરિયા જોઈ લેવાના છે. અલગ અલગ જગ્યાએ ઓબ્જેક્ટને મૂકીને આપણે બધા ડાયાગ્રામ્સ કરવાના છે. ઓકે સો નાઉ લેટ અસ પ્લેસ ધ ઓબ્જેક્ટ એટ F. Let this be A, B be the object and it is placed at F. આપણને ખબર જ છે one ray, the ray which is running parallel to the principal axis, which is incident on the mirror, after reflecting will pass through the focus. બરોબર? અને બીજો ray will pass through the center of curvature. અને આ છે ને ખબર જ છે આપણને, જે સેન્ટર ઓફ કર્વેચર ઉપરથી જે રે પાસ થાય છે એ પાછો રિફ્લેક્ટ થઈને ઓપોઝિટ ડિરેક્શનમાં જાય છે. ઓકે હવે ઇન ધીસ ડાયાગ્રામ ધ રેઝ will be meeting, but it will meet very far off, બહુ આગે મળશે ક્યાંક, which we cannot show it on the board, which is meeting very far off, બહુ આગે ક્યાંક બે રેઝ ભેગા થશે અને ત્યાં ઇમેજ ફોર્મ થશે. એટલે બહુ આગે એટલે we know કે it is infinity, right? So here if the object is at focus અને એ પણ રિયલ અને ઇન્વર્ટેડ ઇમેજ જ મળશે, તો here it will be real and inverted image. It will be magnified, બહુ મોટો ઇમેજ, enlarged, બહુ મોટો ઇમેજ મળશે. Magnified is big image, and you will get the image at infinity, which cannot be shown on the board at infinity. બરોબર? Now this is the last criteria. Till now all the diagrams which we did, in that the type of image which you were getting was real and inverted. This is the only diagram where you are going to obtain virtual and erect image. So this diagram becomes odd one out. દરેક કોન્કેવ મિરરના જેટલા ડાયાગ્રામ્સ છે એમાં ઇમેજીસ બધા ડાયાગ્રામમાં real and inverted આવે છે. This is the only diagram in which the image is virtual and erect. So this you will have to understand properly. Okay, suppose we are placing, this is between the pole and the mirror. Okay, we have placed it between the pole and the mirror, right? So what will happen is, sorry, pole and the focus, sorry children. So the ray will pass through the pole and reflect back. The incident ray will fall on the pole and reflect back in the opposite direction. And the second ray will pass through the center of curvature, and we know that the ray which is passing through the center of curvature reflects back in the opposite direction, in the same path and the opposite direction. Now where these rays will meet, it will meet somewhere behind. I will have to rub this, okay. We will write it again afterwards. Fine. So now let us extend the principal axis, okay, and if you extend these rays behind, this one ray and this another ray, so somewhere here the rays will meet and you will get an erect image of the object. This is AB object and this is A dash B dash image. So here the type of image becomes virtual and erect, and we know that the size is magnified, bigger than the object, magnified, and the image you are getting behind the mirror. અત્યાર સુધી till now all the images you were getting in front of the mirror. અહીંયા તમને ક્યાં મળે છે image behind the mirror, and so this becomes a virtual and erect image, and it is the important diagram for you, odd one out. So in examination, if the odd paper is there, you can get this diagram, ray diagram, 2 marker question. Fine. with this we are completing all the diagrams as far as concave mirrors are concerned. Now only last two diagrams for convex mirror. Now images formed by convex mirror. Till now we have seen all images for concave mirrors. Now we are going to see for convex mirrors. Convex mirrors is very simple. Why? Because we are going to talk only about two criteria as far as convex mirror is concerned, in which you will see the two criteria I have already drawn for you. If the object is at infinity, from there the image will fall on the mirror, and because this is a diverging mirror, the rays will diverge, they don't meet. Okay, same way as suppose one more incident ray we have seen here after falling on the mirror, because it is a convex mirror, it is a diverging mirror, so the rays will diverge. એટલે આપણે શું કરવાનું છે? We have to extend the rays behind. Okay, we will extend the rays behind, and જ્યાં પણ એ rays મળે છે, there your image will be formed. Okay, same way તમે principal axis ઉપર, this was at infinity, but anywhere in front of a convex mirror on the principal axis તમે ગમે ત્યાં object મૂકો, wherever you place the object, convex mirror માં હંમેશા you will get virtual, erect and a diminished image. You will get virtual, erect and a diminished image. એટલે convex mirror માટે એક જ વસ્તુ તમારે યાદ રાખવાની છે, wed. Wed એટલે wedding નો WED wed નહીં, or Wednesday નો WED wed નહીં. VED wed is virtual, erect and a diminished image. Always underline, bold, black, convex mirror, wherever the object will be. આંખ બંધ કરીને આન્સરમાં લખી નાખવાનું, the type of image obtained is virtual, erect and diminished. Okay, you must be thinking, oh my god, so many ray diagrams, क्या जरूरत है इतने ray diagrams पढ़ने की? But no children. Why we have done all this? Because the convex mirror and concave mirrors have their own uses in our lives also. So we have to learn about this. So let us see where the concave and convex mirrors are used in our lives. First thing, let us talk about concave mirrors. So concave mirrors are used in torch lights. આપણે જે ટોર્ચ જંગલમાં જઈએ ત્યારે યુઝ કરતા હોય, અથવા તો લાઇટ જાય ત્યારે જે ટોર્ચ આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ, એની લાઇટમાં જે મિરર છે, that is concave mirror. The next place where the concave mirror is used is in lighthouse. Lighthouse એટલે આપણે એને ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ છીએ દીવા દાંડી, જે દરિયા ઉપર હોય છે. On the sea shores you get to see the lighthouse, જેમાં ઉપર સૌથી ઉપર એક મોટો mirror હોય, and that mirror is used to show the direction to the ships. તો એ લોકોને ખબર પડે કે here the lighthouse is there, એટલે શોર અહીંયા હશે, એ લોકોને ખબર પડી જાય. For that it is. Okay, so in lighthouse also we are using concave mirrors. And lastly, headlights of our vehicles. તમારી કારની જે headlights છે, એમાં પણ concave mirrors are used. The use of convex mirror now. It is used in the rear view mirrors, okay, of your cars. Okay, and the side mirrors also, and bikes and scooter, if you are driving, લગભગ બધા હવે અત્યારે તો everybody is using bikes and scooters. Okay, so the rear side માં જે mirrors છે, they are convex mirrors. To see the vehicles coming from behind, you are using this convex mirrors. So these are the uses of concave and convex mirrors. એટલે આપણે આટલા બધા ray diagrams કર્યા હતા. I hope you follow this now.